Welcome back to the Piston Hub. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the all-new 2025 Kenworth T680 motorhome. This isn't just a truck, and it isn't just a luxury RV. It's the perfect blend of power, technology, and five-star living on wheels. Stick around, because this ride is unlike anything you've ever seen before. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Kenworth T680 comes with a sleek, aerodynamic design inspired by the future of trucking. That iconic Kenworth grille has been reimagined with a bold chrome finish, paired with adaptive LED headlights for maximum visibility. From the side, the T680 looks more like a modern two-story mansion on wheels than a traditional truck. The motorhome conversion adds massive glass windows, a rooftop deck, and even a private rear balcony. Imagine parking this at a national park. You've basically got your own moving penthouse. Even the rear design is striking. Aerodynamic curves, smart storage compartments, and a clean, modern finish. This isn't just about style, it's about efficiency on long hauls too. Of course, what's under the hood matters. The 2025 T680 comes with a PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. That means whether you're cruising highways or climbing mountain passes, this motorhome moves with confidence. And thanks to Kenworth's advanced aerodynamics and fuel efficiency upgrades, you'll get up to 10% better mileage compared to older models. Pair that with the 12-speed PACCAR automatic transmission, and driving this beast feels smooth and effortless even though it weighs as much as a small apartment. Now, here's where the T680 motorhome really shines, the interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a full-size luxury living room. We're talking plush sofas, a wall-mounted smart TV, ambient LED lighting, and giant windows that make the space feel open and bright. Move a little further, and you'll find the kitchen fully loaded with modern home appliances. A built-in stove with oven, microwave, refrigerator, sink with chrome faucet, and even a juicer machine. Add marble countertops and sleek wooden cabinets, and you'll forget you're inside a truck. Heading upstairs, the bedroom feels like a hotel suite on wheels. A king-size bed, built-in wardrobe, vanity, and even a flat-screen TV. This is comfort you usually only find in a five-star resort. And of course, the bathroom doesn't disappoint either. You've got a glass shower cabin with rainfall showerhead, a modern vanity with mirror, and shelves stocked for all your essentials: soap, shampoo, conditioner, creams, and more. It's a complete spa experience inside a truck. On the tech side, the T680 is just as advanced. The driver's cockpit features a 15-inch digital display, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and even voice command integration. For the living area, you've got smart home controls, lighting, temperature, and entertainment all managed from a touchscreen or your phone. Some models even come with solar panels on the roof, giving you extra power for off-grid living. It's the future of trucking meets the future of RV life. So, there you have it, the 2025 Kenworth T680 motorhome. A machine that combines raw trucking power with ultimate luxury living. Whether you're a long-haul driver looking for comfort, or an adventurer chasing the open road, this rig is built to impress. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because here at the Piston Hub, we bring you the latest and greatest in trucks, engines, and machines that move the world. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your pistons pumping.